Fixing Direct12 compatibility issue in Marvel Rivals is really easy to do. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is you want to scroll down to the bottom of the website, and as you can see, it'll show you the system requirements like so. Now, if your computer is not fully up to date, that will be the first thing you actually need to do, update your computer. But then we go over to Google, and you simply want to type in and graphic card driver. Now, when you type that in, you go into AMD, this website right here. And as you can see, you actually need to get this so that you can actually be able to run Marvel Rivals without having any issues. So once you've actually gotten this for your computer, whether it be Apple or a Windows desktop, you can see we can simply run this application like so. After we get this application, just make sure it's updated to the latest version so you can actually run it without having any errors. Now, when we actually go back onto Rival, as you can see, if we go into the library like so, and then click on Marvel Rivals and right click on it and go to properties, you can see in general right here, if we just go over to the launch options and type in -dx12 like so, exit out simply like this, and right click on it once again and bring it open once more, we should successfully be able to run our game, and this should fix your issue.